Before clarity, before belief, before meaning, there is noticing. Most confusion right now isn't caused by a lack of intelligence or information. It's caused by bodies and nervous systems that are overloaded, rushed, or braced without realizing it. Welcome to the grounded ones. Today we begin our journey to coherence. Coherence starts when you begin to notice your internal state without trying to change it. Tightness, urgency, certainty, shutdown, none of these are failures. They're signals. When you can recognize what's happening inside of you, discernment becomes possible again. This is where we will start, learning how to notice without judgment or hurry. Some helpful hints right now might be, what sensations do I notice in my body right now? Tightness, relentlessness, ease, numbness, but without trying to change them. What situations or topics lately create urgency or certainty in me, and what do they feel like in my body? When I slow down a little, do I feel more settled or more uncomfortable? And what might that be telling me? Lately, the world feels louder, sharper, and harder to ignore. When systems around us are under strain, our bodies often register it before our minds do. Shorter tempers, scattered focus, sudden fatigue, irritability, numbness, or relentlessness aren't personal failures. They are common nervous system responses to an unsettled environment. So the first skill we practice is noticing. Just noticing. Not fixing, not yet, just what's happening in me right now. Dysregulated systems tend to create dysregulated reactions. And that doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means you're human, responsive, and still paying attention. Awareness is the beginning of regulation. So before you try to make sense of anything out there, pause and ground. Feel your feet, drop your shoulders. Take one slow breath and ask yourself, what am I noticing right now? This course is designed to help you stay steady while the world around you moves. You're not broken, you're responding. Learning to notice that response, gently, is where coherence begins. So what are you noticing in you right now? Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Find us on all social media at The Grounded Ones, and join us on School for more in-depth analysis.